From freezer to grill and onto the bun, cooking this burger is going to be fun. Welcome to the barbecue walk of flame. A few months back, I made some veggie burgers because last summer the grandkids rocked up unannounced with a vegetarian friend, and all I could offer was a salad bun. During the winter months, I was looking into veggie burger recipes. This one really appealed to me because it could be frozen and then cooked directly from the freezer. I've never cooked anything on my Weber Q straight from the freezer. So let the fun begin. First, fire up the Weber Q.
Both burners full on. And away we go. I'm turning the burners right down to cook slowly. So, to the freezer. They're in here somewhere. Gotcha. One frozen 5-star veggie burger. Unwrap it, a spray of oil on the griddle, and on goes the burger. Just listen, that sizzle says it all. And before you know it, it's time for a flip. Last time I cooked these burgers in the kitchen, I did them straight. No barbecue sauce, no salad, no nothing. I said at the time, for my palate, they are a little bland and needed a spicy kick. So I'm giving this burger just that, with Cowboy Butter. Just spread it out and let that flavour soak into the burger. Time for another flip. Ah, that smell as the buttered side hits the grill. I do like my burger bun toasted. Close the lid and don't forget, or it'll be burnt buns. Time to check the internal temperature. 82.7 degrees C. I don't think there'll be any bits of ice in there. How's that bun toasting? A bit more. That one's okay. I'm spicing up my bun with Jersey black butter sauce. And for those of you who don't know, it's not a dairy butter. It's made from apples, cider, sugar, lemon, spices and licorice. And boy, does it taste good. Can't waste a drop. Off the grill and onto the bun. And now for all the trimmings. Pickled gherkins, cheese, sliced tomatoes, lettuce, a grind of salt and pepper, and finally a good dollop of mayo and the top of the bun. And that is my veggie burger, cooked directly from the freezer.
what a difference the trimmings and sauces make. The texture's perfect, and tasting like that, you might not guess it's a veggie burger. With these in the freezer, it's a game changer. I, for one, won't ever be caught out again. So you want to know how to make these delicious veggie burgers? Then check out my 5-star veggie burger video on this channel. And if you want to know more, then all you've got to do is click that button. Don't forget to activate and ding the bell, and leave your question or comment in the community box below. And if you've enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up. Well, that's all for this time. Join me next time and see what's cooking on my Weber Q. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.